What's up, LT gang? It's your boy LT here. Now, I'm coming with a car review today. Now, Buick Roadmaster, 1995 Buick Roadmaster.
Yes, sir.
LT1. Yes, sir. Now, thing is about this car, it only has. Let's see if I can get it. I can't get it right now, but it only has 100,000 miles on it. But you ain't gonna find one like that, and one that looks this good. The interior on this thing is nice, not too bad. She's a little bit dirty, but who cares about that? Here, let's get a start up. You want a starter? This is not my car. It's my best friend's car, but we're about to start this bitch up for y'all. Rev it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That bit talking. Now, I ain't gonna get into the upgrades. You got that LT1 in it. And pop that hood, brother. Pop that hood. Yes, sir.
Oh, look at that.
What we got here?
It's like something died in there.
Yes, sir.
Rat bone or something.
We got that shoulder intake right there. We ain't gonna get into that. Yes, sir. She looks sexy. Anyways, like I was saying, she needs some work. I'm just gonna say it. We need to get the transmission fixed, torque converter. That's gonna be coming. Stay tuned for that. And then also, actually first, soon, probably in a couple months, this bitch will be mine. Anyways, we're gonna get some new rims for the motherfucker. Yes, sir. New headlights. It's not gonna be that long of a video, but so she looks like. Yes, sir. It's a sleeper. This thing is beat. It's kept up with the new EcoBoost Ford. It's beat a Hemi Challenger, regular Hemi Challenger. She gets down. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'll come back at y'all with another one about the upgrades and shit. The upgrades and what we're gonna do to her. More to come, but stay tuned. Yes, sir.